This is Colin from Heaven Skies Drone Images. Happy Halloween to all my subscribers and viewers out there. Today is October 2nd, 2021. At the time of this recording, I have been busy putting up Halloween decorations. My lovely assistant, Katelynn, who is videotaping today, she will just give you a quick tour of what we've been doing. Katelynn, would you like to show them what we've been putting up?
So we put up this welcome with design things, and there's this little ladder, a scarecrow over there, Oogie Boogie Man, and all that. This took like 5 days, maybe so.
Something like that.
And right there, over there, is our newest balloon.
Well, as you can see, it's daytime, so we're not really lighting this up. So I'll get back to you later on at the end of the video, show you what it all looks like. Well, today's unboxing is I was at a local store called ShopRite, for you in New Jersey, New York, and PA. And I found something in, I think, As Seen on TV. Mothers, I understand when you have the kids, your husbands are away at work, or you single moms out there and you want a quick lunch, you take them to McDonald's. You're on the go constantly, and they love eating in the car, especially when you got that brand new $50,000 SUV. And where do you put the barbecue sauce or the fries? And it just, there are gadgets out there, and I've been looking on Amazon for some of them. When I was at ShopRite, I found something, so I was like, you know what, I'll save it for my viewers. Well, when I was there, I picked up this vent caddy, as seen on TV. First of all, I don't really watch a lot of TV, so I've never seen it on TV. So the vent caddy, according to this, is you can put your fries and your barbecue sauces. Well, I got, as you know, I got 2 young kids myself, and sometimes instead of sitting in a parking lot, if you have to go, you waste a lot of time. I'm going to show you a quick unboxing on this, and I'll put the, see if it's kid approved. It looks like you can put it on the vent or the window, but I'll get you the details later. But I just wanted to let you know, get your decorations ready. We only got 29 more days till Halloween. Ooh, spooky. But anyhow, come with me and I'll show you the unboxing on the vent caddy. Hi, welcome back for the unboxing of the vent caddy. First, let me apologize for my appearance. I put my working clothes on because I've been, as you know, I was out putting up decorations. So, but I'm not going for an Academy Award here, being dressed with a tux, but this is dad clothes, doing dad things. But first, let's take some time out and look at this vent caddy. As I said, I've been walking through ShopRite. Some of your local supermarkets or Walmart, whatever it may be, they have these I've seen on TV. Again, like I said, I don't watch a lot of TV, so I don't know what's out there. This was $9.99. Let's not forget about this tax, so I brought it over $10. So like I said, moms, I understand you're paying if you're traveling and you want to stop quickly at McDonald's, Burger King, or whatever it may be. I personally don't like any of them, but I know it's a quick and easy meal for the kids on lunchtime. And if you got that SUV, you got that car, where do you put the food? So I thought the same thing. I looked around on Amazon. I saw some trays and some other ideas, but it's not what I was looking for. So I said, ooh, let me try it. I bought one. So the unboxing is holds fries, sauces, and so much more. Okay, I know what the fries, I know what the sauce is, but can somebody explain to what the so much more is? I don't know. I'm going to be looking in there. Maybe there's $1 million, and if there is, I can share it with my viewers. But since I know so much more is not $1 million, sorry guys, I can't share it with you. But it says clip on and the mess is gone. Okay, that's catchy. You can either use it on a car, truck, or an RV. So on the back, It's versatile, great for holding phone. Oh, you can hold your phone,
Yes.
your glasses, and let's not forget about the sanitizer. It says it right here, sanitizer and more. All right, at least we figured out what some more is, but when it says more, what more could there possibly be? But anyhow, it's compact, it's high quality, BPA free, durable, and easy to clean. Well, you know, when you got kids, nothing's really easy to clean. Take it from me, I'm in there with that vacuum for like the whole day. And then they come out and say, oh, wow, it's so neat. And then they go back inside. I turn my head back to the car, and there's more of a mess. Well, anyhow, everything you need easy within reach. So it says it comes with a vent clip, grips onto both horizontal and vertical, attaches to base caddy. Let vent caddy hold that for you. So let's just take a look at the box. Don't worry, I'll put a still photo on. I'll give you what the box, this way I'll give you time to pause the video and you can read it. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So, open up the box. There's some plastic. That looks like one of the hooks. My lovely camera woman's going to take it. So here is the sauce holder. Thank you. This looks like the clip holder. And there's something else inside. Looks like another clip holder, but we'll figure it out. And here is the fry holder.
Or more.
Or more. And as you can see, the box is empty inside. Empty. Empty like my wallet for every time I buy something stupid that's either going to work or not going to work. But anyhow, see, look. Here's the fry holder. Don't worry, I'll take a picture of that. And let's see this thing.
It looks like when you make a cake.
I'm going to use my brute strength. Oh, such a He-Man. So this might be a clip for the fan. Well, I figured out what the pieces and how they get connected. Well, here's the fry or other more holder. Here's the barbecue sauce holder. So if you look here, you'll see the little U-clip. It's going to go snap on like that. So that stays. This is the door hook, and this piece is the vent clip. So as you hook on here, I guess, let's see, I guess this piece comes together like this. Hold on. And it gets slid in there. So now that is the door hook. So I'm going to try it. That's the door hook. So if you look carefully, you don't get much space. So let's push it down a little bit more. So with my car, you could probably put the fries here and the sauce here. Whoop, there it goes. That was probably from me pushing. So that doesn't really leave much unless I stick it in the window. So, that's not bad. But you know, if somebody that's hungry, you grab them quick, it's possible it could come off. The vent clip, so it's the same way. I guess stick it on here. You can hold on the vent. Now if you come over here, if you look at my vents, I guess it's gonna go like that. Or maybe put it on the bottom one. Okay, well, you know what? I could see putting a phone in there.
Yeah.
So you can put your phone in here. It's pretty cool, you know, turn it around. Oh, that was me. Sorry, folks. Okay, I can see this part working, but not very well. I do have a vent, different type of vent here. Push that on. You know what? I think that one works a lot better as a passenger. So I would go with that vent compared to this other vent. So far, I like the vent clip. So now, I'm in the back seat where the kids are gonna be. And as you see here, in my car, in the Mazda, they got a vent. So we're gonna use the vent plug this time. I'm gonna put it in and push it in a little bit. You know what? I could see that working back here too. For some reason, it's working with the smaller one than it is with that size one. So you know what? Yeah, you know, I might go and buy another one because, like I said, I do have 2 kids. Now I'm going to try the door hanger on this, and it's over the window, and it's not going in. But you know what? It's holding pretty steady. I can see that happening, but if you raise the window up, you know, let's see what happens. Nah, it doesn't even it out. So I will not go with this. And I don't know what this piece does. I'm not sure, but you can see right through. But it may work for your car. It may not work for your car. This door handle depends on, again, it could be different cars. I'm using my Mazda 5 van. But so far, I like the vent clip. So you know what? Let's gonna go put it to a test. We're gonna go through the drive-through, and we'll do a kid approved. So here we are at McDonald's. We're in the drive-through. We're gonna order some meals, and then we're gonna put our little caddy to the test. Hi, yes, I'm gonna place an order. Can I get a 4-piece kids Happy Meal? And then can I get the 10-piece chicken nugget meal?
Medium or large?
Medium, with barbecue sauce and a Coke. And that's to go. Now remember, anytime you're at the drive-thru, you want to check to make sure you get your right order. Because once you pull away, you either got to wait in line. Like here in Pennsylvania, a lot of the McDonald's are closed. I don't know why, but if you go all the places, if you travel, a lot of them are open. But do not leave because, you know, like I said, the old joke is have 2 windows. One to get your food and the second one to get the food that you didn't get. So I want to make sure, and when you get a Happy Meal, okay, the sweet and sour sauce, the nuggets, and the Happy Meal is there. So we can close this up. Well, the problem is one thing, once you open the box, it never closes for you. And we plug that up. Okay, we'll hand that to the back. And then here, this is the fries that we got. We got the 2 fries. So it looks like we got our order right. So let's go find the spot, and then we will put the caddy to the test. Okay, for video purpose, we're sitting in my driveway because I don't have another driver, so I couldn't really get the full effect of driving. But we're going to try it anyhow. We got a kids meal. My daughter graciously decided she's going to volunteer her fries. So let's see. This is the small fry. Go ahead, put it in there. Look at that. Fits very comfortably. Perfect.
And the sweet and sour
And
sauce.
the sweet and sour. Boop. And you know what? That fits really good too. And that leaves the nuggets on, you know, available. So if you take your nugget, just take one out. Pretend you're dipping it. Oh. And there you go. See how easy that is? And you know what? My older boy, he had the bigger fries. He ran inside because he didn't want to partake in this video. But I'm going to say it's really worth it to have this caddy up on the vent, if you can, to keep your fries and your barbecue sauce in there. Okay, so for today's final thoughts, I'm going to have my test subject, my daughter, who ate her McDonald's in the car. And then we're going to give some feedback to see if something that she would enjoy. using. If she does, I will probably go out and buy another one. So this way, both kids can have it in the back, and it'll help out.
The caddy holder was good. I would definitely use it again if we need to eat in the car. So for me, I'll give it 3 Jordans. So.
Is it something that you think will help you, let's say if we're on the go, where you can, not worry about dropping your sauce or the fry spilling? Do you think it would help in that type of manner?
Yes.
Do you think I should go and buy another one for your older brother?
Maybe ask him. I don't know.
Yeah, he might be messy too. Okay. Well, with that said, with her final thoughts, I will probably go back to ShopRite, get another one, and then, it's good to have, but I think instead of using the door holder, I will probably use the vent holder. I'm not sure about with the door holder. It does work in a sense. It depends on, like I said, the type of car you have. It may work for you. You could probably finagle it. If maybe, I don't know, if you have a boo at home that could jimmy something or what. But as of right now, if I get another one, I'm going to be using a vent holder. So anyhow, thank you for tuning in to this unboxing of the caddy vent. And I do appreciate you checking out my videos. So if at this point, if you haven't subscribed or liked,
give it a big thumbs up.
Please do so at this point, because like I said, I do these videos part-time when I can, and I appreciate you checking this one out. And please search for some other unboxings and some other places where we have visited. It is now getting towards the holidays. We will be doing more places and more haunts, and then also please, I will leave a link in the description for my daughter's YouTube channel. It's cute. She does some unboxing. I help her. So we have a future YouTuber in the making. But again, at this point, I want to say thank you. Have a good night. And God bless. And please be safe out there. And enjoy Halloween. Take care.